Hey, what's going on, y'all? So in today's video, I started off throwing the frog. The frog I was throwing was the black reed runner. Basically just a replica of a spro frog. I typically pick these up at the tackle shop at Decker Lake. You can order them online, but anytime I go take a trip to Decker Lake, I'll swing by and pick up a few of these. So yeah, caught a couple on this. Bite wasn't really popping off the way it should have been. So I picked up the old trusty spinnerbait, and sure enough, it turned my day around. But I did something a little out of my comfort zone this time, which is once I got to about the South First Bridge, I let that spinnerbait sink to the bottom, and I just was creeping that thing like real as slowly as I could with a 7.3-to-1 reel. And if the wind was ever blowing me backwards, I would stop reeling and actually just kind of let the wind move the bait for me. Spinnerbait setup, real quick, is the 7.1 medium heavy, 13 Fate, 17-pound fluorocarbon. And the 7.3-to-1 Abu Revo. And that's like the perfect setup. I like going heavy on the line just so you can really lay the hammer home to them. And you can also throw a spinnerbait in like the thickest shit imaginable, pretty much. Unless you're in like scummy hydrilla. But anywhere around wood, rock, like this thing is not going to hang up. I mean, this thing is literally, it has like a built-in giant freaking weed guard on it. Which makes it great for dragging on the bottom, which is what I did. Yeah, it's hard to have confidence in such a visual bait like a spinnerbait when you can't see it. Because you don't know what it's doing down there in, 15, 20 feet of water. You don't know if it's sideways or if it just looks stupid. But I have good confidence in the Strike King as far as staying true and not, teetering one way or the other, and you just got to make sure your trailer's on there straight. But yeah, as soon as you catch a couple good fish doing something you're not confident in, all of a sudden you got all the confidence in the world in that technique. So that's what happened in this video. So yeah, stay tuned, y'all. This is a good video. Thanks so much for watching. Golly, fish fucking smoked it. Fish absolutely hammered it, y'all. Oh gosh. Just came up and slurped it too. Right on the edge of that tree. Nice 3-pounder, y'all. On the black reed runner. Nice one. Jake, spinnerbait. Big. That's a monster. I think that's a freaking monster. Jake! Monster. Monster. Oh my goodness. Slow rolling the spinnerbait, y'all. Yes. Okay, not quite as big as I thought, but that's a freaking good one. I'm just creeping that spinnerbait down there deep in that muddy water. That fish might go 5 pounds, y'all. Get a weight on her. Let's get a quick weight on this girl. Hope she goes 5. Yeah, buddy. 5 pounds, 4 ounces, y'all. That's a good one. Nice. That's a beaut right there. Hopefully we can get on another one. I'm gonna keep slow rolling the spinnerbait by these bridge pylons, see what happens. Stuck the shit out of that one. Big. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. Another 5 pounder. Oh my goodness. Jake! Whew, boy. Spinner baby. Man. That's like a 4.5 probably. Nice one. Alright, baby. Let's find out how big this girl is. She's probably about 4.5. 4 pounds, 5 ounces. Nice, 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 nice. Another one. Another big one. Oh yeah. Golly. I thought I was hung up on like moss for a second. God, it's another big one. Jake! 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 Can't hear me. It's actually not nearly as big as I thought, but man, she was fighting hard. Dude, got one. Oh my god, it's a quad. It's a huge quad. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of that quad, dude. Wow. That's a big one. Oh fuck, it's under my seat. The size of that. That is a really big quad, bro. Fucking hammered that spinnerbait. I thought I had a really big fish on. The way she fucking hit that thing. Alright guys, well that'll wrap that one up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe. My next video coming up, I was finally able to get some good frog footage where they're actually like busting that thing the way they should be. And I'm getting lots of bites on it, which is for the first time since like March. I'm getting some good topwater action. I don't know why I've had such a hard time on the frog, but finally they're starting to hit it the way they're supposed to. So yeah, stay tuned for that video, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.